Hello everybody and welcome back to Danville Blitzball League. Today we have the Classic Series coming up. The number 1 and 2 seed battling it out for the first time this season.
Very excited for this series coming up. We're filming the first game today, but I think the next game will be in the upcoming week. So I'm excited for that. And John and Matt coming up this well. We don't know when we're going to film those, but we'll hopefully get them soon as possible.
Yeah, that's that game. But this game, rematch of last year's World Series and Winter League. It's got to be a good one. In fact, I'm not even going to lie. We were filming this after the game. Best one yet. I know we said last game was the best game, me and Matt, but no, this was the best game.
If you like arguments, you get arguments.
A lot of tough calls, a lot of close calls, a lot of
chatter,
lucky stuff, a lot of quietness, a lot of taking some time in between pitches to think things out. But anyway, let's get into the game. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hello everybody, welcome to Week 2 Classic Series. Flying Squirrels versus Lightning. First pitch. Ball 1. Start game. Strike 3. Outside corner, throws me. 1 out. Full count again. Struck me out last time. And there's ball 6. Run on first base, 1 out. Here in the top of the first. Popped up. That I can't see the bag. Chris is gonna catch it anyway. There's second out of the inning. Going to the bottom of the first. 1 walk, 1 runner stranded. Bottom of the first. Hits him. Hey, I did not mean that. I missed low. Ball 6. We're going first, start the bottom. First inning. It's grounded up the middle, base hit. First and second now. Still nobody out. That's way out of here. 3-run shot. That might be the first one we've ever seen. Welcome back. Grounded. Another single. Get out. Got in on the hands, just enough. Get out though. I don't know what that was. That ball like dropped down. Full count pitch. Just missed. Ball 6. First and second. 2-1 popped up. That's an out anyway. The win tried to help Chris. No surprises there, but that's the first out of the inning. Bases will be loaded now. Still with 1 out. God, that ball didn't even move. 4-0 now. There's strike 3. 4-0. First strikeout of the game. Long inning, probably at least 20 minutes.
Lightning out here.
Ball 6.
Ball 6. Actually looking good for right now at the top of the second.
There's ball 6. Back-to-back walks, first and second. Maybe I can get a rally going.
Throws balls to the ground and they still count it.
Bases loaded.
Bases are loaded. Seems like the advantage is on the plate. And it does not seem to matter who the pitcher is right now. Oh.
Drive. Single. Man, that was so close to a double.
Well, that was a double for a second.
Yeah. 4-1, bases still loaded, nobody out.
Ball.
Ball 6.
There it is.
4-2.
Another walk, making it 4-2. For the Lightning.
Ball 6.
I might be a bad influence on him. But that's the thing. Oh, way foul.
That's fair.
That's fair?
That's fair.
Oh, let's go. Grand slam.
Foul. That's foul ball.
Maybe. After some consultation with myself, I deem this a grand slam.
There you go. That's right. 7-4. That's the right call. If anybody says else, I had to go through this last game too. Why is it with me in that corner right there? All 6.
Ball 6.
Bases, or no, first and second.
Yeah, watch it.
Still nobody out. That's an out.
This will make or break him right here, even though he's already winning.
All 6.
Ball 6.
8-4.
There we go. Second.
I'm calling it out.
Logan said he probably had this in the bag, but he's not having this in the bag. I put up 20 runs in this inning.
What's your prediction?
It's not a prediction. It's gonna happen.
It's not a prediction, it's a fact.
Hey guys, Editor Logan here. We really didn't get commentating for this one, so I'm just going to go over it. Chris leads off the bottom of the second with the home run, his 7th of the year. It's now 8-5. Lightning are still
How's
up
that
in
water
this
tasting?
one, but it's a much closer game now. Both teams just changing runs back and forth. 8-5. There's a line drive to center field. Wasn't sure if this one was going to get out, but it eventually did. Chris's 8th home run of the year. It's now 8-6. Things are getting really exciting now, and we're just gonna, after we get the second out here, we did get another out in this. Here's the second out of the inning. It's just a ground ball. And we're going to the third inning. This is going to be the bottom of the third. We're skipping the top half of the third. Nothing happened. So, bottom half of the third. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Final innings. Let's see what. Oh! Chris immediately hit my pitch. Here's the pitch. Oh! Popped up. Looking pretty out, maybe. That's an out right there. Here we are. Ah, popped up. Being out anyway, but Logan almost there to secure the out. Wait, is that an out or not? It was it?
I choked, no.
That was a single.
I should just, no, it's not hit.
Whoa.
Foul ball.
Oh, it's foul, okay.
If I let it just fall and just block it, that probably would have been the best idea.
Because it was in the grass.
Everybody's thinking really hard here. Oh. Runner on first now. Oh no. Our runner's on first and second now because of walks. This is a big moment for him in today's Blitzball game. There we go. There it is. All right, Logan. You had like 3 make or break moments.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 broken, but that last make really got you that win. How do you feel about this?
It was comfort behind when it was a save opportunity. It was everything, and this was the win. I needed that.
Yes, you really needed that.
Wait until next time.
Chris with the death threats right now.
Yeah, I'm not.